What is up, you guys? Hope you guys are all enjoying your Thursday. I lost 300 and like one. I think it was like $301 trading the Nasdaq today. It wasn't actually that bad of a trade. I'll kind of just bring you guys through it, tell you guys why, how, what actually played out, and how I was thinking when I traded. But yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so coming to the morning, I wanted to see shorts, market open, and here's why. We had data lows below us. I think it was unemployment claims, I believe. We had data lows below us. We had London session equal lows below us. ES was sitting inside of this 1 hour fair value gap. Although NQ did inverse this fair value gap, we had Asia highs above us, so I wanted to see us SMT this. And so a high time frame key level pair with an SMT, and then see my model play out and come to London session equal lows. But that was not the case, right? And we essentially literally just like we are pumping all morning. And I'll kind of get into like the trade that I took, but we were pumping all morning. We inversed this 1 hour for value gap, and now I know that the external draw is New York. This is previous New York session highs, I believe. And so yeah, I knew that the draw was obviously higher. We had no retracement. I didn't take a trade until we hit New York session highs. So on ES, we did not take the New York session highs. We paired a high time frame key level with an SMT, and I thought I was Powell, and I thought I was going to top tick and bottom tick, and I got stopped. But here's exactly why I took the trade, right? So we take out New York session highs, previous New York session highs. We pair with an SMT. I want to see us retrace, right? And I want to see us retrace into this hourly, this 15, whatever the case may be, because there's no valid imbalances right here that we could retrace to. And we wick it, so we're not like we don't displace above it. So I want to see us retrace, and that's really my trade is pair with an SMT. And there was terrible price action right here, so I took it off the 3-minute, and I saw this inverse fair value gap get formed, change its date of delivery. I put my stops. It was originally right here. I don't know where. I think my TP was just a 1-to-1. Yeah. I originally put my stops above this SMT. And then as soon as we inversed and changed state, and then we were starting to retrace, I'm like, okay, well, if we close above this 5-minute fair value gap, I wouldn't want to see price go any higher, right? And if we do, then we're obviously gonna get stopped out fully. So I put my stops right here just for, just to take a little extra off, because I knew if we touched right here, we're obviously gonna take out my stops right here. So yeah, I honestly thought this trade was gonna play out very well. We started to show rejections off this New York AM high, and I thought we were going to retrace. And this is overall a very good trade. Like, I would take this trade again. The only reason why I think that this trade was not that good was just because we're against the draw, right? We're against the external draw. Like, I thought we took out the external draw, so I wanted to see us retrace, because obviously price, retraces back to equilibrium, retraces back to imbalances. So yeah, that's really what I wanted to see price do, and it honestly looked pretty good. Like, we were respecting this 5-minute for a while. That's why I put my stops right here, because I didn't want to see price go any higher. And then I got stopped out, losing about $300, so I'm break even now. But yeah, that's really all I got for you guys. Just another day in the lab, you know what I mean? And I know I could have done. This was a good trade. Like, the model was good. It was just against the external draw. We were obviously going higher the whole day. We were pumping, so I wanted to see us retrace. And we took out an external draw, pair with an SMT. It wasn't a bad trade, but it would have been nicer with the draw. You know what I mean? Like, maybe put an SMT down here. But overall, good trade. Just another day in the lab. You know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. But yeah, that's all I really got for you guys. Hope you guys really enjoy. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.